Okay, we are back, and I might mess this up a little. Do this, please. Might be easier to see stuff. Cool. Okay, so we have the stuff we output. Let's just read that back in. Around. Here we go. So this is human cameras. Okay, here we go. Sorry, there we go. That's better for me. Okay, so we have our stuff here that we just read back in. Now, again, we did this as what, 16-bit, 16-bit PNGs. Yeah, it does look different, as you can see. If I go 1 and then 2, different, but that's just because we just need to change this input to be output sRGB. That matches what we fed it. So if I now 1 to that, it's the same. Okay, and that's how it should be. If I write this out again, as I probably should have added a little label. Let's do 8-bit. This time it's going to be JPEG. I could do 8-bit PNG as well, but let's just go JPEG just to check this. Oh, yes. Cool. Okay. Okay, while that's going, just load up Photoshop in the background, just so I can see how this image looks in Photoshop. Should see what we're seeing here. This view has obviously got an sRGB form on there. Viewing LUT, sorry. Yes, indeed. Hard for a second. Images. These are the. I've got the this by date. So there's all my PNG. Oh. Ah, sorry, I've done these JPEGs and cancel that. Cool. Run that again in the background. While that's running, get rid of. Come on, files. What are you doing? PNG. Yeah, so there's the PNGs there. JPEGs are just coming through down there, so I'll come to those in a second. If I just load one of these, number one, Photoshop. What we have there, and if I compare that, Nuke. Things out. Here we go. Here we go. So if I did a side by side, they look, I would say, the same. I'm looking on the same monitor. Important. Cool. Okay, so they're the same in different applications, and that's what we're after. That we can output these things, and it's all the same. So I've just done the JPEGs. Let's load that in now. It's here, and again, same again. It comes in with the matte paint default. I can switch to sRGB. That and that is the same. So I can switch between them. No difference. And then again, if I do one more write out, let's just go 32-bit, just for the fun of it. Not going to use it. EXR. And let's just go full. So this is going to be output should be seen linear when we do an EXR. Write this out. And then when we read the EXRs back in, they should be seen linear. Okay. This won't take too long. And then hopefully that's shown that, if I just go back to this workflow, that we output, or we prepped images in raw therapy, then output 32-bit TIFF, and then we can do whatever we like here, output however we like, you know, sRGB or basis, and then read them back in, and they should really. Cool. So now, like that, EXR, right here, there we go. So these ones now in seen linear. We have the original, we have the graded version, which has been graded here. Okay. So that's the original. That's the graded version. Well, that's the grade node. Weird, whenever I turn that grade node on, it's strange. Anyway. Okay. Okay, cool. So that's the that's a general workflow for basically testing your maps, I guess, or converting them to a different color space and adding a grade and then making it useful and stuff. The last thing I'm going to quickly cover will be the undistortion of the images to make sure that that's all working. It's really weird. I'm not seeing that happen earlier, but never mind. Yeah, the last thing I want to cover is the working with ST maps and matching an undistorted image that you've been provided with.